People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, health over wealth. Look up on the damn self, Yes, man, we say peace and love, equality, diversity, equity, empathy. Now, my viewers and subscribers in this episode, I don't know, I have a very interesting voice note from to listen from a lady who has gone through, experienced a bad situation that reached her, circumstances, Yeah, she has been swindled, scammed out of her hard working money, out of her account. So I want to listen keenly. We never not gone on an ad break for that one, you see? So listen keenly and share on the message. Share it on, because trust me, things and time I get wicked and dread, and people are try new ways how to scam people, see? So even the lady I say.
Yes, people, don't delete this message. Listen to it very carefully, because as serious things are going on. If you have an account with NCB, your account has been handled by a call center agency named HGS Call Center in New Kingston. Your account, your personal account, where them can view how much money they in your account, when you get paid, and all them things there. Them have access to that. And how I find out that? Last week, Wednesday the 27th of April, I get my pay going on my account in the evening. I'm going to stop at the ATM machine and draw some money. And no way, woman in a taxi, an agent called me, say calling from NCB, and my account has been compromised as well as some other accounts. And I know NCB was doing some work on their system prior to that. And just a few questions, like what they always ask you, your mother maiden name, your birth date of birth, and she asked me, one of the things was from a token number. Now, when she done talk to me, a mind said, I ring back the number, and this gentleman, this guy answer and say the name of the place. But me never, through the noise in the background, me never pay attention to that way, because rain a fall, in a taxi, noise in the background, and I want to reach home. So when I could try to call back number again, it's nobody answer. So, as I say, I never know, say NCB turn over my account to a call center and all them things there. When I go home, about 10 minutes time, I reach home. I did there, and I go check my account. When I check my account, $31,000 withdraw. What the girl do, because NCB give them an account, she bring up my account same time, compromise it, as what the agent was saying to me downtown in the NCB bank, compromise it, right? And then add herself. When she asked me for the token, she had herself as one of those payee that you had when you had a bill, right? So you can make payment and then transfer the money from my account to another account, right? So me call NCB. Me try to call back the number again. No answer. When I 11 o'clock. I call NCB early in the morning. Right? They refer me to customer service. And I tell them what happened. And then put a stop on my account, a freeze, as well as them say them freeze her account. Right? I called about 3 persons I talked to in the customer service. And then I went into the bank Friday morning. The girl in there was shocked what was happening, and them admit say NCB yes give account to these people right? So I said that's the only way this person could have just used the token and go into my account, because if me should I give you a token number, it changed so quick, it not gonna make no use to you. If you can bypass my password, and she never asked me for my password, she never asked me for my bank account number, not like that we made get suspicious, not like that she asked me for, just a regular question. So she had my account up. So when I gave her she asked me for the token, she was able to in 10 minutes tops transfer the money because she had my account up, right? So my regret is say when I always call about anything but NCB, right? But my accountant, so I always customer service. Did I know that a call center people are anger give your provide customer service? No. I never know say a call center people are provide customer service to me all along. And they always ask you for relevant informations and all that. What is your mother maiden name? What is this? Give me account number. If I get a card, I give problem, give me a card number and all them things there. So that's simply mean if you have a hard token and you have a soft token. So if you have a soft token on your phone, which is the app, guard it with your life, because anybody see that number and them work at that call center, them can take your money, all of it out there. You understand? Everything they can wipe out. So people, be on the alert, not trust nobody. Nothing what them say to you, better you go into the bank until when them close it. Don't trust nobody, because NCB make sure them close down them branch and send over your account to these people. So people have view your account and know when you get money. How much other people then get scam, I don't know. But no, me not trust nobody. Me no want no resolution from no customer service online. In the bank me go. Now they're telling me that dispute it turned over to fraud squad. So my account is locked because them said them investigate and then also retrieve the money. So my account is locked, so me can't get absolutely no money out of my account. So me leave stranded with no money at all to take care of my bills. And NCB is gonna tell me that it's out of their hands now in a fraud unit hands. So not even for say give me some money, credit some money to me. You understand? So me can go and use. Me must go through all of that, right? With all of my bills and stuff for me need to deal with. Me must forego all of that until, as she tell me, she don't know when. Them I go complete the investigation, and me can't use my account because it compromised, and anybody, the person can still withdraw money, any money put in there. So you know, so I done with NCB and their account. You understand? Even when if fraud squad then bring it me down with NCB. So people, I am saying to you, this never happened to me in my entire life. But they're not just calling you now and saying, oh, you win this and you win that, where you say, one about your business and me no want, me tell us I want no winnings and whatever. No. Right now, I am told by workers who used to work in the call center that's a big scam going on. I get from source. People have to resign who have integrity, have to resign as then go start work. Them have to resign because a pay scamming are going in there, and in there so the people them a pack up in the call center and them a get accounts from overseas and all over and a pay scamming. So if you have NCB account, I don't know if BNS is a part of it. I don't know if them send for them account over there too. But you no need for don't answer nothing if I even for the good or for the bad. Go in, go deal with anything. Right? And make sure you guard on a token. Because they no need to get your password, they no need to get your bank account, them already have them information they were in CB already make them have access to. So all them have to do I get your token. So if your phone ever lost and your token on it, your soft token or your token ever go misplaced, right? And you then get that the number there, then can strip your account of every dollar. So listen, don't just listen to this alone, pass it on to other people. people must know what go on. Pass it on to other people so they can know where go on. So anybody calling about compromising for NCB about an account, no listen to nothing. Whether you want to for the good or the bad, no listen to none of them. Because them getting so technical, and because they have access to your account already, they don't need nothing much. It's strip your account. Because if I give you my token right now, you can't go into my account because you don't know my password. And any 3 attempts lock you out. And you have to call them to unlock it. So it has to be somebody internal. And they were shocked, but they couldn't deny it. Even one of the agents, they said to me, boy, I don't know why. I don't know why they turn over to them. You understand? So people, a serious thing are going on. The money not safe. In a them bank here where you take it, give call center, and now we don't know that. The money not safe. The money not safe. So I have to pass on the message so that other people will know say a serious thing are going on. So then they need a card. Then have a physical card in their hand. All them need to know if you add soft token or if you have a hard token, and should they have your account already, then bring it up and then transfer the money out of your account. They add themselves as a beneficiary and transfer it out of your account. Right? So nobody look on you and say I just call him, I call you, if you ask you, if you tell you if you win nothing and all them something. Them a change that they know. A bigger things are going now. So no, just be careful. And pass on this message to other people so they can know. Forward it to them so they can know where you're going.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I hope you take heed and pass on information. And if you are an NCB account holder, please look into the situation and take the right steps, take the right measures, do some inquiries to see if I true the lady attack, And remember, a real thing, people are trying all type of way to scam people out of their money. So if nobody call you, ask you for password or middle name or anything, don't give them. Because your bank not supposed to call you and ask you for that. You get me? You're the one who making the call to customer service to do inquiries. Why them a call you? See me? So you have to be very vigilant. It's like over here in the first world country, America, England. But we can't talk for England because England, but frequently, the bank them say, yo, my bank, I tell you all type of weird people are trying for fraud and scam you. So if them call you, I say them at this, or them ask you for that, password or middle name or mother maiden name, father maiden name, the bank would never ask you such things. So don't give them it. Because once you give them it, like what the lady say, you give them your token, your bank account are empty. So people are getting up to date now. People still get scammed by the lottery business. Oh, you win this, you win that, you have to pay this. People still get scammed by it. I don't know how it comes. But people are getting more aware of it. You know what I mean? So the scammer them are find new ways. And scammer is not just in Jamaica. England itself, America, all over the world them can stay and scam you. Scam your money, So they might find new ways how to, and the bank account they might target right now. But I want to say, NCB, how can NCB pass over people private information, you know what I mean, to a third party call center where they can have access to everybody's account and them information. All them need is a password or a big kind of a secret thing to get in. As I hear the lady say, them lock themselves in the system and the accounts as a beneficiary and change and transfer your money to our next account. Now this lady express her frustration. Zine, she can't, her money is gone to the cyber unit now, the fraud squad, and her account seized, so she can't get the money for do her things, her business, pay her bills, kids, Nothing she can't do because her account frozen. And the bank, them have no consideration for or no remorse. For say, they're going to assist her until the matter is resolved. And so, some viewers and subscribers, that's very sad, that's very bad. Unprofessional from NCB. You see me? And even some of the workers them in the bank, sorry to say, but that's the truth. Some of the staff them in the bank, you can't trust them. Don't forget to like and share, you know. Like and subscribe to the channel, Lion Foot. And my way to football, 8 PM kickoff, you know. Yeah, referee, is it? Yeah, man, so. Very unprofessional at the bank. I have some people in the bank, they must scam them, they must work with the scammer them. So when them do that, and the scammer them bingo, the scammer them give them 20% or them 10% money, you see me? Yeah, certain thing work, you see me? CJ? Yeah, I was rushing, I got football, innit? Yeah, I'm going, Islington. Yeah, referee, yeah. I'm vlogging. Subscribe to my channel, man. You're Lion for TV, yeah? Alright, cool, I'll give you a shout out, yeah? How's the little one, good? Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, and so where was I? Yeah, man, the people in the bank I work with some of the scammers, them, and that's enough to know. So all I say, if you're an account holder of NCB, just be aware and careful. Alright, Bob? Alright, mate?
We just finished.
Yeah, I'm going football now. I'm going football.
Who?
Me.
Who's playing?
Say hello.
Hello.
Now my game, I'm going to referee, innit?
Oh,
Yeah.
what, whereabouts?
In Islington.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we get a train.
Yeah, jump on the train. See you there.
Yeah, good luck, mate.
Pass from mate, yeah? Yeah. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, speak up on yourself still. Please share the content. I make everybody here right now in Jamaica. If you have an account, even if you live in Jamaica, you have an account with NCB, pass on the message. Saying you don't know a Lion Foot on another vlog, and be careful out there and be aware of these scammers, these impersonators. It's not fair. You work hard for your money, and people are trying to take it from you like that. So people will be alert and aware. Say, don't know a Lion Foot on another vlog. I'm going to do it when I boast and I I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.